You know, guys, we got a great selection here at the Auto Buy Center. There's no doubt. Now, the lighting's not too good on me right now, so we definitely gonna have to reshoot this shot. Alright everybody, so you know right now at the Auto Buy Center we're getting prepared for tax season. And with that being said, we need to sell cars out here for people that want to spend just a few $1,000s. So, as you can tell, I've started to get some more higher end cash cars, like this BMW 5 Series over here for 4,500 bucks. But not everybody wants a 4-door car, you know what I'm saying? I mean, some people, like myself, back when I was in my 18, 19, 20, 22, 23 era, I was wanting to drive a 2-door coupe, something sporty, something fun, something that I could hook up and have a little fun with on the weekends, and maybe in the summertime and spring break, head down to Daytona Beach, really have some fun. And that's exactly what I think the Infiniti G35 Coupe is. It's, first off, it's fast. It can definitely be furious, but it's one of those cars that is just so sexy, you know? I mean, I love these coupes. I seen one on the road today. A young girl was driving on the interstate, a black one. It had a little spoiler on the back. It looked really good. So with that being said, I don't have to sell you too much on the sizzle of why I think a BMW or a Infiniti or a Mercedes or whatever we have out here is great. All I got to sell you on really is why this car is only 1,300 bucks. So let's keep moving forward. Alright everybody, so first I'm going to kind of highlight the interior of the car. And listen, we're not getting crazy with a bunch of cinematic shots, but I am definitely trying to give it that cinematic look here on my camera. But we do got some rips right there on the seat. The side bolster there gets a lot of wear and tear. Also right here gets a lot of wear and tear, but no tear, just a little wear. And then right up in there also. Now, you do got leather, okay? The guy or the girl or whoever owned this car, which I really do not know, they had seat covers on it at one point there, and as you can see, it had those black and gray seat covers, which actually are really clean and still seem to be in really good shape. But I just got to get some time, guys, and come out here and really just take all this off so y'all can see. But it even has seat covers in the back. And I peeled them up on the front too, so if someone's out here, they can kind of take a peek. But again, tomorrow on Saturday morning, I'm gonna really get out here. I'm gonna just take them right on all out, put them in the trunk, and have it looking like it should look. But there's your steering wheel. I did buy a brand new little thing right here, a steering wheel cover for 10 bucks, and put that on there because, you know, the steering wheel's definitely got a little bit of wear and tear on the leather as well. It does have heated seats. It does have the Bose stereo, and I mean, honestly, it's a pretty clean car on the inside. Really not bad at all. I mean, look at that. I mean, there you go. So, not a bad car. It does have a lot of miles on it, though. And I'm going to tell you what the situation is with the motor here in a moment. Because basically, it's 1,300 bucks. There's got to be something wrong with it. Well, I'm going to show you. And we're going to drive it. And I'm going to let you see exactly what you can do with a $1,300 car.